Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, a lot of large-scale news have come out from different governments around the world, which has affected the crypto market in a positive way, and especially the precious metals are soaring to all-time high. And what does this mean for the entire crypto market? Well, first of all, it's very important to understand that Bitcoin staying over 81,000 support is going to be critical to ensure that we do not get into a fear zone and panic sell does not sweep the entire market. On the other end, majority of the altcoins are also showing a very strong hold, and Dogecoin is on fire. On-chain data shows that active addresses have skyrocketed by 400%, nearly to 395,000. And XRP seller, the TD flashes a warning on 4-hour chart, opportunity to buy the dip incoming very soon. And Dogecoin, is Doge a buy after losing nearly half its value in February, while White House confirms that crypto Caesar Sachs sold over $200 million in crypto while he's clearly promoting crypto towards the American people. And Brazil introduces a bill to legalize salary payment in Bitcoin. This could be huge because how would they be able to go around the taxation? Now, before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button, especially turn on your notifications so you can be notified as soon as I upload and you can stay up to date with the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video. It will just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to the crypto market. User engagement goes up and we all do well. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys the way the Dogecoin market is playing out. Now you can see that after actually coming to a very strong resistance at about 17.5, we're in a consolidation phase. What does this consolidation phase have to do with what is to come? Well, there's a lot of people which are anticipating that in between a bull market, we might be going into a winter phase. What does this mean? Well, Bitcoin is undergoing a trend shift on 3-day chart according to the super trend indicator. Now, this trend shift is huge because if we're able to go into a positive trend shift currently, what will that mean for Bitcoin market in the near term future? Well, if we're able to go into a positive trend, there will be a lot more upside potential as compared to a downside potential. And on the other end, analysts predict a violent Doge surge as will accumulate over 1 billion Dogecoin. So currently, the way the entire market is playing out, it's very clear to see that we are going to be experiencing an overall explosion. So even if we get any sort of ETF being approved by SEC for any altcoins, that includes XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, Solana, it's definitely going to be pumping up the market in a positive way, as more people are going to be expecting more institutional interest actually returning into the crypto market. Very possible Dogecoin consolidates for 8 months again. Now, 10x research. Now, why is this a big deal? Because a crypto researcher says that Bitcoin's price chart shows a little evidence to support a strong price recovery in the near term future. But if we're able to go into a consolidation phase, maybe 8-month consolidation phase, little incentive to take the advantage of Bitcoin's recent price dip. Why? Because they expect the market to actually push down even more. This aligns with our view that most ETF flow came from driven hedge funds. Given the persistently low funding rates, and there's little incentive or willingness to deploy additional capital despite the recent price correction. Since the beginning of March, when Bitcoin fell below 90k, spot Bitcoin ETF in the US have recorded a total outflow of about 1.6 billion. Bitcoin is trading at 84k at the time, but currently this is a big decline, and there is too much suggesting that the market is not going to be showing any sort of crazy return anytime soon. And this Dispatch, the analyst at the digital asset, told Cointelegraph on March 11th that low 70 range could provide a foundation for more stable recovery. Currently, we're definitely on a little bit of a decline situation, but to ensure that the market is able to stay healthy, the best way to do so would be to retest close to 70,000. That's pretty much exactly what's been said over here. And the reason for this is because there's just too much hype in terms of the ETFs that's actually holding the crypto market together. And if you see that previously where we're sitting currently, there was no support. So this is just free flowing where we're sitting currently. If we're able to climb back to 90,000, then maybe next leg is on record. But if we're not able to, climb back, there is a chance that we might go down and retest close to 70,000. And seeing how the ETFs have pretty much performed very poorly, there is a chance that the next 8 months will be very hard for the crypto market to show an explosive gain. And potential Dogecoin price breakout indicated by increased activity and inverse head and shoulder pattern. I mean, Dogecoin, the only way it will be able to show an explosive gain is if Bitcoin does something similar. Now, at the end of this weekend, it's going to be very important to see how well the entire market is going to be doing. And has Dogecoin price bottomed out? The MACD signals trend shift, and if there is a trend shift, there is a chance that the breakout is more likely to happen. And the SEC pumps brakes on the Altcoin ETF. Institutional interest still remain. The US SEC postpones its decision on several spot Altcoin ETF applications this week, including those for Litecoin, XRP, and Solana. A K33 research report shows there is a consequence, but the agency is waiting for confirmation of Trump's nominee for SEC chairman. The SEC awaits paperwork from the White House, and filing from the institution showed there is an interest and demand for Altcoin among the clients. So there's definitely a lot of money parked, which should be going into the Altcoin, but the only way it's been stopped is because there is no new ETFs coming out. And good news for Ripple holders, XRP is headed higher, but how much higher? Well, after Brazil launches its first spot XRP ETF, the confidence of the investors have definitely gone up, especially the XRP investors, and the XRP resistance at $2.84, strong support around 180. The rally could be explosive if the entire market is able to follow through with it. And Bitcoin price target right now 90,000 as Bitcoin woes go on accumulation spree. But as you see that the ETFs are still experiencing a really strong outflow, it should give you perspective that a lot of whales are actually buying into this dip. But there is so many people which are short-term holders which are deciding to sell, making it very hard for the market to make a decision in terms of what direction to take. And Bitcoin needs a weekly close above 81,000 to avoid downside ahead of the FOMC. And well, currently we're on track for that, but the chances of another sell-off is quite high, suggesting because of the fact it's happened many times this week, and maybe we might be experiencing something similar very soon. Again, as I say, everything I said is not financial advice, it's just my personal opinion. If you guys are going to be putting your money into anything, make sure you guys do your own research. If you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, drop a like on it, and I'll see you guys very soon.